Kwenye video hii tutajifunza topic ya balance of nature kidato cha pili kwa njia ya maswali na majibu. Usiache kulike, kucomment na subscribe. Karibu sana. Okay. The first question is like this. Write to do from an correct statement and false from an incorrect statement. Roman 1. Example of producer are plant and animals. The answer is false. Why false? It is false because when we speak about producer is plant, not animals. Altogether, when we speak about producer is an organism that manufacture their own food, like plant. Altogether, and Roman 2, a human being is biotic component of the environment. The answer here, it is false. Why false? Because it is false because human being, it is biotic, not abiotic component. When we speak about abiotic component, are those components which include non-living things. Okay. Food wealth is made up by many interlinked food chain. The answer here, it is true. Why true? It is true because food wealth is a network connection of the food chain. Roman 4. An example of mutualism is a feeding relationship between pig and a cow. The answer here is false. Why false? It is false because when we speak about mutualism is a symbiotic relationship between two organisms of the different species benefit each other altogether. But when we speak about pig and a cow, pig affect cow altogether. That's about not about mutualism, it's about parasitism altogether. Okay. Question number 2. The diagram below represents a feeding relationship in an ecosystem. The earth means eaten by. Together, can you provide the diagram like this? Here it is a plant, herbivorous bats, predator bats, bats, like spider, butterflies, prey, mates together, and here it is a grasshopper. The first question is Roman number 1. What is the feeding relationship represented above? According to this, what the feeding relationship represented above this diagram? Together, the feeding relationship represented above this diagram is about food. The feeding relationship is food wealth. Food wealth. Okay, this diagram represents about the food wealth. Okay, that's about the question Roman 1. And question Roman 2, what is the sequence like this. What the sequence? Providing plants, grasshopper, and gliders. From here, we give about plant, grasshopper, and gliders. This sequence represents about the food chain. Here, the sequence about food to the food chain. Okay. And here, it has a linear. Romani. Questioning Romani 3. It is about name, organism, which are a primary producer. Together. And the Roman B, secondary producer. Okay. According to this relationship, we speak about the primary producer as those organisms which manufacture their own food. Altogether, in this diagram, the primary producer is about plants. Plants, it is about the primary producer because it is manufactured their own food. Question Roman B state about the secondary producer. Secondary producer are those organisms which eating or feeding from the primary producer. When we speak about the secondary producer, it is included about butterfly, grasshopper, and herbivorous bats. Is equal to the first about the butterfly. This is about secondary producer. Why? Because it is feeding from the primary producer. Second is about grasshopper, and lastly, it's about herbivorous bats. Herbivorous bats. It's about secondary. Okay. Question number 3. Define the following term. The first about ecosystem. What is ecosystem? Together. Second, what is habitats? Third, what is biotic factor? Fourth, what is natural environmental? And then fifth, what is community? Together. It is started by first ecosystem. When we speak about ecosystem, is the natural combination between living things and non-living things on the environmental. Altogether, when we speak about the ecosystem, it is included about the natural combination between the living things and the non-living things that occur in the environmental. Kwamba hapa tuna ile combination iliyo kati ya viumbe hai na viumbe wasio hai wanapoenda kwenye mazingira. Example include about the human being. Human being is the living things altogether, and maybe stone. It's about non-living and living things. When you put about human being in the stone, it is represent about the ecosystem altogether. Also, let's discuss about the habitats. This is about the definition of the ecosystem altogether. Okay. Let's discuss another area. Secondly, it's about habitats. Habitat. What is a habitat? Habitat is a place where by living organism live. Together, when you ask you to define what is the habitat, is a place whereby living organism live, kwamba ni sehemu ambayo viumbe wanafanyaje, wanaishi. Together, Roman 2, biotic factor. When we speak about the biotic factor, is a component which include about the all living things. Altogether, is a component that include all living things. Example, human being, cow, goat, lion, hen, and etc. Altogether, kwamba unapoambiwa uelezee biotic component kwamba ni ile component ambayo ina include all living things. Altogether, ina include viumbe hai. Example like human being, cow, goat, lion, and hen, and etc. Altogether, let's discuss about natural environment. What is the natural environment? Okay. We'll speak about the domain 4, natural environment. When we speak about natural environment, is a surrounding, made up of living and non-living things. Okay, sorry, living things and non-living things that occur naturally. Together, we speak about the natural environment. Natural environment is the surrounding made up of living things and non-living things that occur naturally in the earth. Together, it is already discussed about the living things and the non-living things. Together, we speak about when you ask you to explain or to define the term natural environment, to include about living things and the non-living things occur naturally on the environment. Together, okay. Okay, try discuss about the community. Okay. Question number 4. Study the pattern below and answer all the question that follows. Alugeza umepewa mchoro ni kama hapa ambao hapa first does glass, kwamba glasi analiwa na kao analiwa na lion analiwa na nyoka, sawa. Lakini tena hapa glasi analiwa na gazelle, sawa. Ndipo gazelle analiwa nini na hyena. Tukija huko na giraffes, giraffes analiwa na zebra, hyena, Newcastle. Together. The first question, Roman 1, what is the name of the feeding relationship class? What is the name? The name is about the name of this relationship is about food webs. Food webs. Together. And then question Roman 2, name organism which are secondary consumer. Which organism are secondary consumer? When we speak about the secondary consumer, are those organisms which feeding on the primary producer. Watokeza kwamba ni organism wanaokula kwenye primary producer. When we speak about the secondary consumer of this organism, it include about lion and hyena. It is lion and hyena. Hawa ndo secondary consumer. Why? Kwa sababu wanakula kwenye producer, and zebra is about secondary producer. Why? Kwa sababu wanakula kwenye primary producer. Ni hapo wanakula kwenye primary producer. Together. And question Roman 3, what is the law? What is the laws of the Newcastle in the pattern? What is the law? Kwamba hii hapa ina kazi gani? Newcastle. Together. Okay, number 2 hapa. Function of the Newcastle. Law of Newcastle. Newcastle hapa ameact like a bacteria. Nielewa? The one function of this, it is decomposed of dead organic matters. Together, in order to release the nutrients from to the soil. Altogether, the first is about decomposer. Decompose dead organic matter. Okay, it is decomposed dead organic matter in order to release nutrients in the soil. Ongeza kwamba inaozesha wale dead organic matter ili iweze. Okay, question number 5. Roman 1, Roman 2, Roman 3. Okay, what is a food webs? Together, Roman 2 construct a simple food webs involving the following organism. Give me some organism here. First, grasshopper, frog, glass, hooks, and snake. Roman 3. Which group of organism is not showing on the food webs below? What is the importance? Importance to the food webs. Sawa, tukianza na ya kwanza, let's answer. To explain about it, to define about the food webs. Food web. Food web is a network connection of food chain. Together. Unapoambiwa uelezee what is the food web, tusema food web ile network connection of food chain. There and try discuss about the question Romani 2. Question Romani 2. Tumepewa organism, give any organism, first grasshopper, secondly frog, ya tatu tumepewa glass, 4 even tumepewa hook, ya 4 tumepewa snake. Let us construct that. Let us construct according to this organism. Cha kwanza hapa lazima ujue producer ni nani. Together, okay? According to this organism, this organism, first about glass. Together, glass it is producer, kwamba anapozalisha hii glasi anakuja analiwa na grasshopper. Tini by grasshopper. Together, also glass eaten by snake. Together, but grasshopper eaten by frog. Together, and then frog also eaten by hooks, and also something also eaten by snake. Together, this is a diagram showing the food web. Together, we are discussing question Romani 3. Which group of organism is not showing on the food web? Together, which organism not showing in food web? Kwenye hapa organism gani ambaye hajaonyeshwa? It is about decomposer organism or bacteria. Together, okay, Romani 3, it is about decomposer. Decomposer maybe hayupo. What is the advantage or importance to the food webs? It is breaking down the dead organic matter. Together, in order to release the nutrients to the soil. 6. The diagram below is presenting the different trophical levels in the ecosystem. Study it and answer the question that follows. The diagram is kwamba ndio mchoro wetu ambao tumepewa. First question, mention a trophical level represented by each letter in the diagram. A ni nini, B ni nini, C, D, and E. Okay? Answer here. What's about A? A, it is about producer. Altogether, B is about primary consumer. This is B. And C, it is about secondary consumer. Altogether, and then D, it is about tertiary consumer. And then E here it is decomposer. Altogether, question number 1, majibu yake ni A, producer, B, primary consumer, C, secondary consumer, D, tertiary consumer, E, it is about decomposer. Altogether, and then question number 6, Roman 2 here, state the rule of the organism in the trophical level represented by the letter E in the diagram. It already discussing kwamba uelezee tu function ya decomposer. Decomposer tumesema ana break organic matter in order to increase the soil fertility. Sawa? Hapo tutakuwa tumeshamaliza. Let us discuss about it. Okay, question Roman 3, why to the trophical level form a pyramid shape? Kwa nini hapa ina form pyramid shape? Answer is like this, because there is enough biomass energy contained in the primary producer at the bottom to support the predator at the top, even if through the energy lost at each other. Kwamba yeye tuna form pyramid shape kwa sababu kuna amount ya energy kwenye primary producer. Hii amount energy kwa sababu ni kubwa inawasupport other animals ambao wanapatikana huku juu. The term food chain and Roman 2 explain significance of food chain. Okay, we are discussing first Roman answer here. Answer food chain is a simplified sequence that show the flow of energy from one organism and another. From one organism and then another. Let's speak about the food chain. Ukiongelea food chain, unasema is a simplified sequence that show the flow of energy from one organism and another in the ecosystem. Hii hapa ndio definition nini ya food chain. Together, let us discuss about the significance of food chain. Together, already, okay, significance. The environment by regulating population. Together, kwamba hapa anakuja kwamba food chain au food chain ana protect environment through regulating amount of population. Together, it is regulating population in the ecosystem. Sawa, nyingine, another significance of food chain, it regulates population in the ecosystem. Together, and here it maintains and balance energy and resources in the ecosystem. Together, another significance here, it is maintaining and balancing energy and resource in the ecosystem. This amount here tunazungumzia the significance of food chain. Together, question number 9, identify 6 components of food chain and the food webs. Together, and tunazungumzia component ambazo zipo kwenye food chain na food web. Hapa tunaanza na ya kwanza ni component ya kwanza ni producer. Producer are organism that manufacture their own food. Example, plant. Kwamba wezi kuwa producer organism which manufacture their own food. Kwamba ni organism ambao wanaweza kutengeneza chakula chao. Together. Ya pili, component ya pili tofauti. Primary consumer. Organism that feed on producer. Example, cow and goat. Kwamba tunapozungumzia primary consumer ni wale organism ambao wana feed kwenye producer, yani organism wanaokula nini kwenye producer. Together, and third component tofauti, secondary consumer. Organism that feeding on the primary consumer. kwamba tunakuja kimzungumzia secondary consumer. Huyo ni secondary consumer, ni organism anayekula kwenye primary producer. All together, example like lion. And then what's here, it's about tertiary consumer. Tertiary consumer are organism that feeding on secondary consumer. Example, human beings. When we speak about the tertiary consumer are organisms that feeding on secondary consumer. But together, example like human being. And that's about quantity consumer. Quantity consumer are organisms that feeding on tertiary consumer. Together, ani hapa kinachokuwa hapa tunaanzia kwenye producer. Huyu producer ndio anayetengeneza, ana manufacture hiyo food. Akishatengeneza huyo primary consumer anakuja anapata chakula kwenye producer. Naye secondary consumer anamla primary consumers. Question number 10. Define the terms trophical level. Roman B. Constructing a food chain using the following organism: sheep, lion, maize plant, bacteria. Let us start today. The term trophical level is a group of organisms having the same feeding habit. Is a group of organisms having the same feeding habitat. Together, example like example, producer, primary consumer, and then etc. Altogether, and then it has discussed the Roman A, Roman B. Let us construct about the food chain according to the given sheep, lion, maize plant, bacteria. The first is about maize plant because it is the producer. First it is maize. Maize plant followed by sheep. About primary consumer, and sheep wanakula kwenye maize plant. Sheep followed by lion, and then the last is about bacteria. Altogether, this is the construction of the food chain. It is about question number 10 Roman B. Hii ndio jibu lake. Tupo sawa? Naomba tuangalie swali jingine. Question number 11. Study the following food webs and then answer the question that follows. Tumepewa food web kama hapa. Kuna glass, kuna grasshopper, kuna toads, snake, vulture, larva. All together. So what would happen if kitatokea nini kama all the grass wither and die, kama majani yote yatakufa? All together. What would happen if all the grass wither and die? Kama grasi zitakufa, rapid will increase, kwamba rapid dawa watapungua. Together. Nasema rapid and grasshopper will decrease. Together, kwamba kama hapa atakufa au yatanyauka, grasshopper na rapid wanafanyaje? Watapungua. Together. Hapana, kwamba nyoka hawatakufa wote, lakini kuna nyoka watapungua na kuna baadhi ya nyoka watafanyaje? Watakufa, sio wote. Together. Question Roman 3. The rapid are double in number if kama hawapa watakufa au watanyauka. Hii hapa rapid, namba rapid itaongezeka mara 2. Elewa? The answer is the rapid will decrease. The rapid will decrease. Together, kwamba kama hawapo watakufa, namba ya rapid ita decrease, itapungua, haiwezi ikaongezeka mara 2. Together. And then first question, the number of toads multiply. Hii namba ya toads itaongezeka na yenyewe. The answer is no. The number of toads also decrease. The number of toads will increase. Will decrease. Together, let us see another question. From 2 students at Nyamongolo Secondary School carried out a survey to determine the number of organisms in the school garden. They are recording the finding in table as showing organism, number of organism numbers. Together. The first about grasshopper, second glass, bats and hooks. Altogether, first question, which organism are producer? Producer is about glass. Grass are produced because it's monophile, the food. And B, Roman B, primary consumer. According to this, which is a primary consumer. Primary consumer is about grasshopper. Why? Because feeding primary producer, Huyo inakuwa ni premium consumer kwa sababu anakuwa nini kwenye producer. Tukaweza. Second question, draw a possible food chain to show the energy flow according to this food chain. Umepewa organism kama hapo, kuna grasshopper, kuna grass, kuna vitamin box. Tukaweza. Kwa kwanza, the first here it is glass. Glass. Wa kwanza, wa pili grasshopper. Grasshopper. Anafuata nani? Followed by bats. Followed by fox. Together kwamba wewe kwa tafuri cheni hapa tunaanzia na nini? Na glass. Anafuata grasshopper. Grasshopper analiwa na bats na ox. Together it's about the food chain according to this table. And Roman 3, the food chain constructed above here is stable. Give reason. Kwamba hii food chain ndio tunaotengeneza hapa, anauliza hapa swali kwamba hii ni stable. Jibu la hapa answer is not stable. Kwamba hii sio stable. Kwa sababu gani sasa? Ndio kwambia give reason. Because due to lack of decomposer. Kwamba hii inakuwa ni unstable, inakuwa so stable kwa sababu haina decomposer. This is why it is not stable. Altogether. Okay, thank you so much. See you next video. Usiache kulike, kucomment na kusubscribe. Okay.